A door. A door. A kitchen. A door. Kitchen.
The door kitchen?
Yeah.
Do you need it?
Yeah.
Tell me about it.
I need it. I have a girl in it. I am girl. I need it.
And why do you need it?
I need a door. I need to pay it. And cook it. That birthday.
You need that for your birthday, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, your birthday is in the summer, next summer. It's a long ways away.
I got more.
Okay. Okay. Go ahead.
Watch.
Okay, I'm watching.
It's Sunday.
When you cook with Dora, there's so much to do.
That.
That?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I need that. My favorite.
Oh.